Elsa, come on. Come here. Da-da-da-da. Here's a pumpkin. Elsie. Come on, Elsie. Elsa. Hi, puppy. What do you want? Keep coming over here to the oven. What's in here? What's in here? Come on. What is that? What is that? Oh, what is that? Look. Come on. Yes, say trick or treat. Trick or treat. You got pumpkin. You got pumpkin. Come on, Nubby. Come on, Nubby. Come on, Nubby. Catch. Oh, Elsie. No, it's not hot. Come on, Nub Nub. Come on, Nubby. Give here. Come on, Nubby. Okay. Yay. Say trick or treat. Trick or treat. It looks gross. It looks gross. It's not gross here. It's kind of warm. Be careful. Just brush my teeth. It's hot. Okay. All right. One more piece for you, Mr. Pumpkin. There you go. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.